former Mayor Isko Moreno endorsed you to be the mayor of Manila, and he was going to run for president at that time. What were the terms of your agreement back then?
Actually, there were no terms, but it was very clear to us that he will not be coming back to the city of Manila. Siyempre,
So pinaubayan niya na yung Manila sa inyo?
Yes. Siyempre, Attorney Karen, kapag tumakbo ka for a higher position, siyempre, ang ultimate goal mo, manalo ka. So, wala naman po sa kanyang pag-iisip noon na matatalo siya.
Hindi niya naisip
Hindi
na,
naman po niya
pagka hindi
naisip.
ako nanalo, ganito
Hindi
yung
po.
gawin natin.
Hindi po. Wala pong ganon. So, pinaubayan na po niya sa akin, since ako po yung vice mayor, na ako na po ang in-endorse niya as the next mayor. In fact, wala naman hong pumilit sa kanya na tumakbo siya for presidency kasi isang term pa lang po siya as mayor eh.
It sounds to me like a lot of the feelings of betrayal come from the fact that you were in close touch, you would see him every week, and you were showing me text messages earlier na magka-text kayo
Yes.
halos araw-araw.
Every day.
So kung nagsabi ba siya na maayos from the start na gusto kong bumalik ng politics, gusto kong tumakbo ulit as mayor, do you think it would have been different? Na hindi masisira yung friendship niyo?
Siguro, maaari. Kung naging truthful po siguro siya na, ate, pag hindi ako sinuwerte, baka naman pwede akong bumalik. Siguro naman po, di ba? Magkakapatid po kami. Pero again, it was very, very clear to us from the start na hindi na po siya babalik eh. So, hindi naman po kami ibang tao. We are not what you call yung mga politiko na we consider ourselves family. Kaya nga po, parang, hello, lahat na inaway mo. Yung dati pong mayor, konsyal pa siya, si Mayor Lito Atienza, kakampi niya nung una, inaway niya, naging kalaban niya. Mayor Lim, vice mayor siya. Kakampi niya nung una, nung hindi siya napagbigyan na tumakbo, kinalaban niya. Tapos si Mayor Erap, kakampi niya, siya pang nagdala kay Mayor Erap to run as mayor in the city of Manila. Nung hindi siya napagbigyan na tumakbo na mayor, inaway niya. So, it has been a cycle, a very toxic cycle for him. Pati ba naman kami, nakakampi mo, kapamilya mo, we consider ourselves way beyond politics ang relationship namin. Pati kami, anong ginawa namin sa iyo?